everyone once again and welcome back to my channel. Now, yes, I know it's a whole lot of glam going on right here. Yes, okay, so yes, in the video you're going to hear me talk about the fact that I have a headache, and yes, which is actually, but then it's not about me. All right, so yes, and this is how the look came out. Well, this is not for the faint of heart. I could rock this totally, so I could totally do this. I mean, it's for, going out at night, so I could totally rock this. All right, so yeah, and all products as always will be listed in the description box below, and do not fail to like, share, comment, and follow me on all my social media networks. It's all Juliet Style Glam: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and on my blog also it's Juliet Style Glam. Now yes, I'm going to also be inviting you guys to join me on Instagram Live every Friday at 9 p.m. CET, that's Central European Time, because I usually do this 30-minute show I call the couch. All right, so it'll be very wonderful if you guys could join me on the couch every Friday, and of course do make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you will always get the tea. And it's been fun. It's been about 1 month plus now that I started it, and it's quite interesting, you guys. So yes, I invite you all to join me on the couch every Friday at 9 p.m. CET, right? So yes, until our next rencontre. Yes, I have to, I speak French, and most times I always find myself, trying to put French in, my videos, not just for my sake, but not for the sake, but also for the sake of, French people, because I live in France, okay? Now, to be able to do videos in French, story for another day, all right? So until next video, bye. All right, come on, cut.
Okay, copy.
All right, okay, so I've already gone ahead and applied my foundation, and for today's foundation I used my Fenty Beauty. Okay, as always I use the primer, because I also realized that it doesn't work with other primers. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oops. Oh my gosh. And then I also use that's the foundation, and my color, my shade is the shade 430, which is the neutral shade. I think most people went for the neutral shade in the Fenty Beauty. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, this look is all about this beautiful glam glitter party look ideas, to go out with and stuff like that. And now it's a little bit, it's not a little bit, it's time consuming, so I'm gonna just shut that up and get right down to it. So I've already spoken to you about the foundation products I used, and now we're gonna be, I've already started with this eye, or I finished with this eye, and now we're gonna move on to the next eye. Okay, so first of all I'm going to go in with my my primer, which is I'm using the MAC primer in soft ochre, which I adore. And you guys, I was gonna ask you all, the NYX primer in the paint in the pot, the white one, I believe it's milk. Okay, I don't know, that primer, as much as I want to love it, I can't. It's so wet, and I don't know, for me, yes, it's good because it helps to make your eyeshadow pop, but it's so wet and it's disgusting, seriously. And I have to go using primer. I don't like it, seriously. I don't know how you guys, I have it, I use it, but I'm never comfortable using it, you know. I think the only time it really works well for me is when I'm doing a cut crease, but I'm not, I didn't use this in this case. So I'm taking this beautiful eyeshadow from Park Avenue. I bought this eyeshadow, actually it's a drugstore. I bought it in Belgium in a store called no, I got it in the shopping mall called City 2, and the name of the store is, I'll put the link where you can find the name of the store. It's actually, I actually remember putting it on my blog. If it's not my blog, then it's going to be one of my videos here, but I recall I actually did talk about it somewhere in one of my net, so you do well to check it out. And I think it was really, and it's quite pigmented, so yeah, it's a perfect dupe to, I would say it's a perfect dupe to what's it called, oh my gosh, I keep on, why am I this forgetful, gosh, it's a perfect dupe to Melt Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I just, you know, dusted the excess off, okay, and I'll be using that all, in fact, all over this eye, so both eye, the crease. I'm taking this beautiful palette I have here, and this is a palette, I told you it's a French brand known as Smoss, and I bought it from a store here known as Saga. And I'll be taking this, I'll be using these two colors, I'll be transitioning with these two colors, the purple and the fuchsia pink, which are very pigmented. I'm almost through, I've already hit pan with those. Primer brush, which has developed wings, and I'll be taking that same MAC Pink Pop concealer, and that's what I'll be using to cut crease. Going with my flat shaded brush. You know the big palette I have that I can't carry? Okay, I have it here with me, and I'll be going in with a light blue from there. I can't carry because my hands are full. I'm sorry about that. And I'll be just placing that here, just over. Now to intensify that, to intensify the crease, I'm going to go in full precision brush here that I have, and I'll take that purple again, to blend out all that so that it doesn't look harsh, I'm going to use Loop Techniques brush, which has nothing on it. It's a blending brush. This is glitter dust that I mixed myself, so it's just a bunch of glitters everywhere that I mixed myself. Okay, right, so I'm going to be going in with the glue. I just wanted something that had all the colors, so I just mixed it up. So I've just fixed the eyebrows, okay, and I'll do the rest of the look off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, here's the finished look. Oh gosh, I am so stressed today and it's not even funny and I have a splitting headache. Alright, so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed it. I did really I had fun doing this look, but basically for the fact that I have a splitting headache, you know, I'm so, I don't know. Okay, so yes, and as always, all the list of the products used I will list in the description below. Okay, and yeah, so this is how the look came out. This hair, oh my god. Well, that's what you did. That's what you get for cheap hair though. Yeah, it's not exactly the best. There's nothing I can do for now. Okay, right, so yeah, that's it. And a very quick walkthrough of all the products I used. On my lips I have the NYX soft matte in Rome. For highlighter I'm using Miss Cop bronzer in Copper, and what else again, just a very quick rundown, but like I said, all products will be listed in the description box below. So do not fail to like, share, comment, share this video, let's get this video to at least 1,000 likes, you know. And yeah, until my next video, until our next time, until we meet again, until our next rendez-vous et dans notre prochain rendez-vous, on se revoit à très bientôt. Au revoir.